Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ghulam Rasool Sheikh. I am General Manager of Chint Department in Amiji Waliji and Sons. Amiji and Waliji and Sons is more than 100 years old, and it's a very, very good trading company. But now we are standing at Chint stall, and Chint is China's one of the biggest electrical products manufacturer company, and we are the sole agent of Chint products in Sindh region in particular and in general for Pakistan. The products are, of course, for the low voltage circuit breakers, contactors, relays, and all other products related to industry and building materials. And if you want to have just look at some of our products, we can go to our product and have a look at this. These are the big MCCBs. They are molded case circuit breakers. The big circuit breakers, these type of circuit breakers are generally used in industry. And for home products, we have got small circuit breakers where you can light your house with the small circuit breakers. Now these are some of the contactors. The contactors are meant for industry where automation is required. And for automation, you need from either automatically operated or from remote control circuits. Then the bigger distribution of the electrical circuit, suppose for a whole industry or for the whole mill, any kind of mill, a sugar mill or a textile mill or any other industry, the beginning starts with a big circuit breaker. The big circuit breaker, actually it is called air circuit breaker, and its abbreviation is ACB. That is the air circuit breaker. This air circuit breaker, here we have got the Chint's air circuit breaker. Now this circuit breaker compares with the European products, the imported one from Europe, the Western countries. But China has improved their research and development so far that they can compete in technology. Technically, they are equivalent to European product, but financially or economically, they are much cheaper. This is very simple. We just operate like this. If it is operated, let us see. Yeah, this, when it is on or off, it can be done very simply. The whole mill can be operated from this big circuit breaker. Electrofare in Pakistan serves a very, very good purpose. It allows the general mass to see the whole, the different products coming to Pakistan and which are very, very usable. If there is no electrofare, people will not know what products are better, and because only advertisement does not fulfill the purpose. So this is one of the best ways to convey the message or to know how to the people that the certain products are being sold in Pakistan and they are very useful. And Amiji Waliji and Chint, we are here to serve our nation and give the best products available from China. And thank you very much.